Vietnamese cuisine is famous for its rich variety, freshness, and healthy characteristics.
Vietnamese dishes combine cooking techniques from East Asia and Southeast Asia, while also being influenced by the French colonial period, resulting in a unique and delicious flavor.
Here are some famous Vietnamese dishes. 1. Vietnamese Spring Rolls. Chagio Vietnamese Spring Rolls are deep-fried spring rolls made with pork, shrimp, vegetables, and rice paper. They are typically shaped like a semicircle, fried to a golden brown, and served with sweet chili sauce. Diverse fillings. In addition to pork and shrimp, the fillings of Vietnamese spring rolls can vary based on regions and personal preferences. Some people may add chicken, fish, or crab meat to add different flavors and textures. Common vegetables used include carrots, white radish, bean sprouts, onions, etc., which can be combined according to personal taste. Crispy and golden. Vietnamese spring rolls are deep-fried until they turn golden brown, resulting in a crispy outer layer and a fully cooked filling. The frying process makes the spring rolls crunchy and appetizing. Served with sweet chili sauce. Vietnamese spring rolls are typically eaten with sweet chili sauce.
This sauce is made from ingredients such as chili, garlic, sugar, lemon juice, and fish sauce, giving it a spicy, sweet, and sour flavor that enhances the taste of the spring rolls.
Traditional shape. Vietnamese spring rolls are usually shaped like a semicircle. The filling is wrapped in rice paper and then rolled into a semicircle shape.
This shape makes it easier to fry and eat the spring rolls.
Accompaniments and eating style. Vietnamese spring rolls are often served with lettuce leaves, mint leaves, and herbs.
The spring rolls are placed on lettuce leaves, accompanied by vegetables and herbs, and then dipped into the sweet chili sauce before taking a bite, providing a rich and layered taste experience.
In general, Vietnamese spring rolls are a delicious and popular Vietnamese snack that is hard to resist. Whether as an appetizer, afternoon snack, or part of a meal, Vietnamese spring rolls are a delightful food choice. 2. Fresh spring rolls. Cuốn fresh spring rolls are one of the most representative Vietnamese snacks.
They consist of fresh vegetables, herbs, grilled meat, shrimp, or fried spring roll wrapper wrapped in thin rice paper, typically served with a special dipping sauce. Variety of fillings. The main ingredients of fresh spring rolls include fresh vegetables such as lettuce leaves, mint leaves, coriander, bean sprouts, etc. Additionally, grilled meat, cooked shrimp, crab sticks, or fried spring roll wrappers can be added to provide different textures and flavors. Roll of rice paper. Fresh spring rolls use thin rice paper, which is soft and flexible, making it easy to wrap the ingredients and facilitating consumption. The rice paper has a refreshing texture that does not overpower the flavors of the other ingredients. Served with special dipping sauce. Fresh spring rolls are typically served with a special dipping sauce. This sauce is usually made with fish sauce, lemon juice, garlic, chili, sugar, etc. It has a tangy, sweet, spicy, and aromatic taste that adds a layer of delicious seasoning to the fresh spring rolls. Healthy and low in fat. Fresh spring rolls are relatively healthy snacks as they are either raw or minimally processed. Rice paper itself is fat-free, while vegetables and seafood provide abundant vitamins and fiber, and grilled meat offers protein. Eating style. To enjoy fresh spring rolls, they are held in hand, and the rice paper is gently bitten to taste the fillings. To add layers of texture and flavor, lettuce leaves, mint leaves, coriander, etc., can be added to the rolls. It is common to dip the fresh spring rolls into the special dipping sauce to enhance the flavors. Fresh spring rolls are a refreshing and healthy Vietnamese delicacy, appreciated for their combination of fresh vegetables, herbs, and various fillings. The use of thin rice paper and the complementing dipping sauce contribute to a delightful culinary experience. These are just a few examples of famous Vietnamese dishes, but Vietnamese cuisine offers a wide array of flavors and dishes to explore. From the iconic pho noodle soup to flavorful banh mi sandwiches, aromatic lemongrass dishes, and diverse seafood specialties, Vietnamese cuisine continues to captivate food enthusiasts worldwide with its vibrant and harmonious flavors. Bánh cuốn is a popular traditional Vietnamese dish consisting of thin and soft rice noodle rolls filled with flavorful ingredients. Vietnamese steamed rice rolls, known as bánh cuốn, are somewhat similar to the familiar chong phun rice noodle rolls in certain aspects. Both are made with rice batter wrapped around fillings and rolled into a cylindrical shape. However, they have some differences in terms of ingredients and eating styles. Vietnamese bánh cuốn typically uses thin and soft rice noodle sheets, with a filling based on pork and added ingredients such as mushrooms, onions, wood ear mushrooms, and shiitake mushrooms, resulting in a mild and rich flavor profile. It is usually enjoyed with a special dipping sauce, such as fish sauce, lemon juice, garlic, chili, and sugar. Although Vietnamese bánh cuốn and choang phun share some similarities, they still have their own unique tastes and styles, reflecting different regional cooking traditions and flavor preferences. Whether it's bánh cuốn or choang phun, both are delicious choices that allow people to savor the culinary charms of different cultures. Bánh xèo is a well-known Vietnamese pancake snack made from a batter consisting of rice flour, turmeric powder, and water. The batter is pan-fried into thin, crispy pancakes, filled with pork, shrimp, bean sprouts, and served with lettuce.
The light yellow pancake skin is often mistaken for an omelette, but it doesn't contain eggs.
Pancake skin: the pancake skin of bánh xèo is made from a batter consisting of rice flour, turmeric powder, and water. This batter is poured into a flat pan to create thin pancakes. The pancakes have a light yellow color, are thin, and crispy, making them highly appreciated. Fillings: bánh xèo's fillings typically include thinly sliced pork, shrimp, and bean sprouts. Some variations may include scallions and mung beans to add texture and flavor. The fillings are wrapped in the pancake skin, creating a delicious filling. Accompanied with lettuce, to add texture and freshness, bánh xèo is usually served with lettuce. The pancake is cut into small pieces, placed on lettuce leaves, and enjoyed together. This combination enhances the overall texture. Dipping sauce: bánh xèo is typically served with a special dipping sauce. This sauce is often made with fish sauce, lemon juice, garlic, chile, and sugar. It has a tangy, sweet, spicy, and aromatic flavor that enhances the taste of bánh xèo. Eating style: after cutting bánh xèo into small pieces, you can use your hands to place a piece of pancake on a lettuce leaf, then add fillings and other ingredients. Wrap it with the lettuce leaf and take a bite, savoring the combination of crispy pancake skin, fillings, and lettuce. You can also dip it in the special sauce to enhance the flavors.
Bánh xèo is a unique and delicious pancake in Vietnamese cuisine.
Its crispy pancake skin, flavorful fillings, combination with lettuce, and special dipping sauce create a diverse and rich eating experience.
Bánh chiên, also known as fried radish cake with egg, is a highly recommended dish to try when visiting Vietnam.
While it may appear similar to our familiar Penang-style fried radish cake, it is actually quite different. The pan-fried radish cake is topped with plenty of eggs, sprinkled with spring onions, and drizzled with a special sauce, making it incredibly irresistible. Fried radish cake with egg, or bánh chiên, is typically garnished with spring onions and topped with a special sauce. This sauce is usually made with fish sauce, lemon juice, sugar, chile, and garlic, creating a savory and tangy flavor that complements the dish. Eating style: fried radish cake with egg is usually served on a small plate. You can use chopsticks to pick up a piece of the fried radish cake and enjoy it with the spring onions and the special sauce. It offers a diverse range of textures and flavors, including the smoothness of the eggs, the soft and chewy radish cake, and the savory and tangy sauce.
Vietnamese fried radish cake with egg is a delicious and unique snack that showcases the rich flavors of Vietnam. Its combination of textures and flavors makes it a delightful dish to savor and enjoy.